Hello, today we're going to do some watercolor techniques. So we're going to do some painting techniques, so join me. The first step is you're going to use your piece of paper and tape it off. So we have this masking tape, and we're going to first tape the edges of the paper. Yours won't be in a notebook most likely. If it is, that's fine too, but mine is, in my sketchbook here. And I'm measuring along so I don't waste tape. I'm lining it up to the edge and then just ripping off what we need. We're not trying to have a bunch of extra tape because that'll end up just getting wasted. And we want to take care of our tools and materials, not waste them. So I'm just taping this off each side by measuring it, by lining it up to the edge, and then I just rip it. And yeah, there's a teeny bit extra, but that's fine. Now I've got my edges taped. Now let's divide this paper into 5 sections for the 5 different techniques we're going to use. And you can kind of get creative with that, how you want to. I'm going to do these kind of diagonal sections because I just like the way it looks. So again, measure it off. Let's not be wasteful. Now right here, that went over, and I want to have these lines be really clean. So you can either rip or just cut that. I don't want to have that jagged edge hanging over. Okay, let's do this one this way. And then so I've got 1, 2, 3, and I need 5 sections. So now I'm going to do a section here. Now we're going to label these sections. Okay, so we're going to do, like I said, 5 different techniques today. So the very first section is going to be a wash. Okay, and I like to put a little arrow down where I'm going to paint my wash. My second section is going to be a gradient. My third section is going to be called wet in wet. The fourth section is resist. And the 5th is glaze. Okay, so get your paper taped off and labeled off with those 5 words, techniques. These are all watercolor techniques that we are going to use. Does your tape need to look exactly like mine? No, you can get creative with it if you have a different idea. But you just need to have 5 sections. That's the most important part. Check the next video for the next steps.